Hey, this is Kent Jones again with Jones and Associates in Cleveland, Tennessee. This is getting close to the end of our series on what to tell your attorney when you are getting divorced. This is a continuation of items that you probably should go ahead and bring to your attorney if you have them up front. Benefit statements are important because in most cases when two people are in a marriage bond, they share benefits, and then they may flow from one person's employment, they may flow from the other or both, and how are you going to deal with benefits once you get divorced? How are you going to deal with the type of insurance that you can get through your company, any type of paid off leave, any of those types of things that you shared and you had and you're no longer going to share anymore. Bills, we can divide those up, determine who's going to have to pay them. If you're fairly sophisticated, budgets, if you have one, as to where you're going and what kind of money you have allocated for all of the reasons that you were together. Property tax statements, if one party is going to keep the home and pay the property taxes, does the other party have any obligation to pay any portion of those? Stock options fall into, I guess, the category that I would call retirement, but it may be different. But if you have those options, are they going to be considered separate property or marital property? Stock portfolios, certificates of deposit, all of those fall into that same category. And finally, life and health insurance policies. Are you going to continue on with the policies that you had during the bond of marriage? Or are you going to require one of the spouses to purchase a life or health insurance policy after the parties are divorced? And I guess it's important to say at this point that, in my mind, for the marriages where people, really got together because they truly loved each other and hit on some rocky times, we advocate marital counseling before you go through the divorce process. It's a good thing, and it fleshes out some issues as to why the pathway that seemed, so clear at the beginning suddenly became rocky. I think that's an important step in any divorce, unless there is just an immediate significant reason to go that path. That pretty much concludes section 5B of the series. The next one will wrap it up. We're still talking about items that you need to bring to your attorney when you go into their office and answer a divorce complaint or file one yourself. Hope everybody's having a wonderful afternoon. We'll get in touch with you soon. Bye.